Right now, sentiment around the world is clocking in at plus 0.14, with momentum at plus 0.26. This is a notable spike, especially considering that we haven't seen such a strong upward push in sentiment in recent weeks. What's particularly interesting is the emergence of 19 semantic clusters, suggesting diverse topics driving this shift. With our API, you get a comprehensive breakdown of these sentiments, enabling you to analyze the nuances behind this surge. Imagine using this data to optimize your portfolio strategy by identifying emerging trends or themes that resonate with current global sentiment. To dive deeper and start leveraging this data, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.